Welcome to the Maak channel. Let's draw geometric shapes. A hexagon has 6 sides. A star-shaped figure. A circle is round like the sun. An oval looks like an egg. A triangle has 3 sides. A rectangle. A square. A rhombus looks like 2 connected triangles.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as
Let's go for coloring.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
You can color these shapes with different colors of your choice.
and there was Captain
I also use happy and different colors to paint these beautiful shapes.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
What a beautiful shapes.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.